In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add any folder to favorites on the Files app homepage on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and as you can see here I have downloads folder, and it makes it easier to get into my downloads simply tapping at this shortcut without having to search for downloads folder in that way. And we can easily actually add any folder, any location right here to favorites section. And first off, we need to head over to a folder we would like to add here. I got test folder here, so if we want to add this folder to favorites, all we have to do is just long press on it, and here at this drop down menu we need to just tap add favorite. That will immediately add this folder to favorites, and after that you will be able to easily open up that folder by hitting right here. And also, if later on you decide to remove some folder from here, you can easily do so as well. To do that, just swipe to the left to show up this remove feature, and then just tap on it to remove it from here. Keep in mind that it will just remove the shortcut from favorites, not the folder itself. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.